Hello. Excuse me.
Yes?
This is the line for pay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Thank you. I want pay with my partner credential.
Sorry, but we don't receive pays with partner credential for today.
So, here you have my credit card.
Excuse me, we don't have system to process credit cards.
Alright, can you charge with check?
Pardon, mister, but we don't use any check.
Okay, no problem, I have cash.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks too.
Have a nice day.